What up, guys? This is Pastor Canav again. We're coming up with another tutorial in C Sharp, and tonight we're going to be doing a simple application. It's going to be an addition, like a math operation, with Windows Form. Okay. So, but before we start, please subscribe to the channel. So we're growing slowly but steady. After you watch the video, please like it and then share it if you can. Okay. Thank you. All right. So let's start this. This madness right here, Windows Form app. Okay. We're going to change the name. We're going to put um, app form. Just a short way. Okay, cool. So okay, let's create it. All right, let's see it. All right, so we got it. So right here. All right, so we got my form. So we're just going to go to a toolbar right here. So we're going to need a button. Let's drag that button right here on the middle. So now right here on your right, under properties, we're going to change the design name, which is right here, and we're going to put a click button. Okay, that's the name. Enter. So let's change it the text name for that button. So what is it? Text right here. So we're going to put a click here. So you can do spaces right here. Click here with no issues at all. Oh, it didn't change it. Okay, I think that was the okay, let's see right here. Where did I change it? I don't know where I changed it. Click here. Okay, that changed it. So okay, cool. So if you click in there, so take you straight to our program right here. So we're going to be putting everything under this main method right here. Okay, so we're going to start. Let's test that button. Let's just do message box that show parentheses, double quotes. We're going to say hello, comma, this button works, and then finish with the semicolon, and then let's run the application. Okay, let's wait. Okay, let's click here on the button. Oh yeah, that worked. Hello, this button works. Nice. So we got that. So the button works. So let's stop the application and let's add more stuff. So we're going to be adding a couple things for now. So we need another text box right here, a couple of them. Okay, and then we're going to need a couple levels right here, and then we need another one. Okay, cool beans, we got it right there. I guess that works. So now we have to give it a name to the first box. Okay, let's see that. Let's go to design. Yeah, let's do box 1. Okay, we got that. Now let's change the label. Let's give it a name to that label and text label 1. So we're going to put it input number 1. Okay. Oh, let's go back over here. Let's fix that in here. Let's move a little bit. Okay, now let's change the name for box number 2. Just put box 2. That should be good. So let's change the label name right here on properties. And let's put input number 2. Input number 2. Okay, that worked. Okay, now we gotta put 2 numbers right here. User input. The user is going to put number 1 and number 2, and when we click, it should give us an answer, right? Whatever we do, an addition, multiplication, division, whatever it is. Let's try that in here. Okay, so all our code is going to work in this click button. Okay, so maybe let's just comment this. So let's do a int, and let's give it a name. Number 1 equals to im that pers. Okay, parentheses, and we need the name for the first box. Remember, it was box, man, lowercase box 1 that text. Okay, cool. Let's do for the next one. Int number 2 equals to int the pers. This is box 2 that text. Don't forget your semicolons at the end, and then right here for the message, we can do message box that show. We can do the sum of input 1 and input 2 is, and then we concatenate, and then we do number 1. Let's just do it inside parentheses. Number 1 plus number 2. Okay, so let's see, that should give us something, right? Let's try it. So let's do 5 and 6. Okay, if we click the button, it should give us 11. Okay, cool, that works. The sum of input 1 and input 2 is 11. That worked. Cool. You know, let's add this to 200. So that's what we have so far. Okay, so let's see, that works. Okay, so we got bigger numbers. I know in my computer looks kinda, I changed the percentage, so with the bigger number, so it can show, because when you see in a cell phone it just shows little tiny numbers, but whatever. Yeah, anyway, so that's beside the point. Okay, so what we need to do now, let's make it more excited about this. So let's add another box, another text box right here, and then another level. So what we want to accomplish with this is the following. So we want the numbers, whatever numbers we input here, the user puts in here, we want it to display the results right here in the third box. Okay, so let's give it a name. So let's see, design, let's do box 3. Okay, cool. So the level, let's give it a name. Let's going to give it a name of result. Okay. All right. So let's go back and okay, let's comment this. Okay, now what we need is int, another int, let's go with the name result equals to, we already know number 1 or number 2, it doesn't matter, times, we're going to do multiplication right now, number 1 times number 2 to number 2. Whatever number we enter, it should give us a multiplication of that. But we want this result to display it in the box number 3, right? So we need to have box 3 that text equals to results that is to a string. Okay, and this should give us a result. Okay, let's run the program. Okay, so remember now we're doing a multiplication. Okay, let's just do 4 and 5, it should be 20, right? If when I click the button, the results should pop up right here on the result box. Cool, that worked. Nice. Let's stop that. Let's try a different number. Let's do 25 times 5. Okay, just click in there, 125. Nice. So cool, the application works. So thank you for watching the video. Hopefully this kind of help you in your journey just a little bit, I don't know, but please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos. All right, have a good night, and we'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.